Hi, today we're making a full Korean-style galbi dinner at home. I am using pre-marinate beef short ribs. Cook the galbi. Heat a grill pan or skillet over medium-high heat. Grill the marinated short ribs for about 5 to 10 minutes per side until caramelized and slightly charred. When the meat is cooked, cut it into small bites. Easier to eat and less messy. Let's make rainbow salads now. Slice the vegetables for the rainbow salad into thin strips. I used cucumber, carrot, and beetroots, and fresh feta cheese. Lightly toss the salad with black pepper, pinch of salt, and sesame oil. Mixed it well and placed in salad bowl. Wow, look how beautiful color. And it's so crunchy and tastes so good. Yummy. Wash the lettuce leaves and place roasted seaweed on a serving plate. Cook fresh purple-white rice until fluffy and placed in a small bowl. I have made some homemade kimchi a week ago, and it's perfect side dishes for tonight's dinner. And dinner is ready. Here comes beef short ribs and rainbow salads, my favorite cup rice and some fresh lettuce. And here's roasted seaweed and kimchi. Bon appetit. To eat Korean BBQ style, I like to place rice, meat, kimchi, and sauce into a seaweed or lettuce leaf and wrap it together. Thank you for watching.